Hi guys, I know I just uploaded a video, but today I'm doing a squishy collection video. They're all in my bag right there, and I just put my phone in the charger. But there's other stuff in here I don't really just use. I have two squishies though, but I have this one I cut in fours, and this is a remaining. Two squishies. I have this mini panda bun with the pink bow, big girl. Then I have the jumbo. I have the medium panda bun with the bow. Next, I have, try not to make this video long. I have this roll, but I don't know what it's for. It's really so rising. It's like the best squishy. Okay, I have this bear, and I have a yellow macaroon. Next, I have this pink, cute cracker to face. It's really soft and I have this whipped cream thing. I don't know. Then I have this yellow dog print. And this is all new squishies. And I lost one and I gave one to my dad. Next I have this emoji. It was really sticky when I opened it. When I got out of the package. Yellow yolk, so I call it. Then I have the orange version, and of course this one's harder than this one because I have to warm up. Then I have this one, I don't know what it's called, but it is it's one of those just squishies. And like this. Mushrooms that's super defected right there and right there. So it's on its last leg, so I have to leave it at my house and be careful because it's a blushy mushroom. It's really cute. I saw YouTubers have them. I don't know if I uploaded the video. Then I have this green slipper. Look at how squishy it is. Not that much. It's really cute. It's like a green panda cat slipper. I have one more squishy. And I have this donut. Now I'll tell y'all the ones. The one I gave away and the one I lost. The one I lost was the guys enjoyed today's video. Bye! Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And what should my next video be?